45 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 3 easily, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 3 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times 6, which is greater, so 1 times. 3 goes into 4 1 time. 1 time 3, 3. 1 time 3, 3. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down this 5. 3 goes into 15 how many times? Okay. 3 goes into 15 5 times, right? 5. 5 times 3, which is 15. If you subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, so we are done. So our answer is 15.